Go.
Hi. Today I will be teaching you about optimization, and our examples are going to be doing the area of a rectangle. A rectangle has a perimeter of 80 centimeters. If its width is x, express its length and area in terms of x and find the maximum area. So, first we're going to draw our picture. So we have our rectangle here, and we're going to go ahead and label the sides x's and y's. And then we're going to find our functions. So it says an area of 80, a perimeter of 80, so it's going to be 80 equals the perimeter, so 2x plus 2y. Once we find this, we're going to do our secondary function, where area equals x times y. Here we're going to go see what y equals. So do 80 minus 2x equals 2y. Take over the 2. So 40 minus x equals y. Once we get this, we're going to plug it in to our a. So a equals x, 40 minus x, and then we're going to distribute. A equals 40x minus x squared. Then we find the derivative, 40 minus 2x, and then we're going to equal it to 0. So negative 2x is going to equal a negative 40, and x is going to equal 20. From here, we're going to plug it back in to this function. So 80 minus 2 times 20 equals 2y. So then we're going to make it 80 minus 40 equals 2y. So 40 equals 2y, and then 20 equals y. And then we can say our greatest area is a 20 by 20. Our next problem is, a gardener wants to make a rectangular enclosure using a wall as one side and 120 meters of fencing for the 3 sides. Express the area in terms of x and find the value of x that gives the greatest area. So we're going to draw our picture. So we have the wall, and then we're going to have our rectangle around the wall. And I'll have our x's and y's. And so 120 meters is going to equal our 2x plus y. Then our area, which equals x times y. So we're going to go ahead and find y now. So 120 minus 2x equals y. So once we find that, we're going to plug it in to here. A equals x, 120 minus 2x. Then distribute 120x minus 2x squared. And then the derivative, which is 120 minus 4x. Once we have this, we're going to set it equal to 0. So a negative 4x going to equal a negative 120, so x is going to equal 30. We get this 30 and plug it in to this one. 120 equals 2 times 30 plus y. So 120 equals 60 plus y. So it's going to be 60 equals y. So our greatest area is a 30 by 60.